Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. My name is Tunush Patro. I am from Mechizao, Purmo Mendipur district. I am 15 years old and I read in class 9. So today we are doing a group discussion and we have pretty much people to do a group discussion. So let's start with Unuskadi. So Unuskadi, you have just started your 11th studies. So how do you feel about it?
I feel better because I chose my wanted subjects like commerce. So the I enjoy it actually. So whatever you what? Sorry. What about you?
Same, also same. I also choose commerce because I love it, and I which I did want to become in future. For this, I should choose commerce.
What you want to tell about that?
I tell I like arts because I like um, সাহিত্যিক উপন্যাস I like arts education and I love it. What about
My name is Prabhimar Pal. So I complete my graduation on 2025. I complete my graduation in BCom Honors. So my favorite subject is accountancy. Next.
I am Gopinath Maji and I also recently passed my Madhyamik examination and started my class 11 journey. And actually I am very much excited for it because there are subjects accordingly to my interest, and but there are new type of examination semester system, and I am really excited for it.
Okay, so Gopida, why do you choose the stream science?
No, I did not choose science.
Why? Why do you choose the stream commerce?
Because I choose commerce because there are subjects according to my interest. Like you can see, there are GST, taxation, accounting, and all the subjects are. You can say I have interest in all those subjects. And if you are studying something in which you have interest, so you can even you don't need a motivation to study it or other thing. You can just open the book and study because you already have interest on this.
Okay, so that was a pretty good answer.
Yes.
And now we can start our conversation with Gunjanda. So Gunjanda, you are just going to do your Madhyamik examination. So how is your preparation?
Preparation.
Preparation.
Okay. So now I am preparing for my second evaluation, and it was held on 1st August. And now I'm preparing for my Madhyamik examination, and I'm reading my all subject and thoroughly and good. And when actually my preparation was very good. And how is your preparation for you?
My preparation is also good, but I am in ninth standard, so I don't have that type of pressure which you have in your studies. So I am having a good result in my studies. That's all about in ninth standard. But when you are in 10th standard, you have to do your best to do your Madhyamik examination. So and anything hurdles you are facing in your Madhyamik examination which is unexplainable.
Now it was not came. When it came, I see.
Okay, so you have not faced it. So Unuskadi, did you have faced any hurdles in your 11th? So did you have faced any hurdles in your 11th standard? So
11th standard or 10th standard?
11th standard. You are reading in 11th standard.
Yes.
Yes.
Now I am not, because this is new for me. And the commerce is also very new because so I recently started my the journey in commerce. So something like economics in statistic, these maths are pretty harder for me, and also like costing math, these are, but this is new for me, so I enjoyed it. What about your maths and physics? Please tell me.
Okay, so my science stream is going well, but about if we you ask about art subject, that will be a disaster, and and I can't I'm not able to explain it right now. So Gopida, you are smiling very well.
You said art subject, art subject are a disaster for you, so I smiled.
What?
Art subject.
Yes,
you
that's-
don't like it.
No, I don't like it. Actually, if the government just change their rule and start choosing stream from ninth standard, it will be the best decision ever.
So you will just choose the science stream.
Yes, yes. Just start the preparation of your future from today.
So in 11 you are going to study with science stream.
Yes.
And what is your future plans?
My future plans about to have to have a secure job in future, to secure my life, and have to secure my happiness in my life. I think that you should have it should not be that happiness should be a part of your life. It should that life is a part of your happiness. I think that
What's your favorite science topic? Science subject?
my science, I like all those things of science. So I can't choose anything, but the least favorite subject in science is my biology. So Triyasta, introduce about yourself.
So I am Trias Ghoda. I am from Meshada, and currently I passed my B.Pharm degree from BCDA College of Pharmacy and Technology from Barasat,
Okay.
and now I am studying in lingua spoken English classes to teach to learn some spoken English technique for my job interview.
Okay, so that's not very clear to me in which stream you are studying in. So can you just explain us to everyone, so can be easy
So-
to everyone?
So I studied in B.Pharm.
Yes.
So B.Pharm is a subject where you work with the related to the medicine.
Okay.
The medicine means which you take when you are কি বলে when মানে যখন শরীর when you get sick or you are ill, so we have to produce that medicine, or also we have to research and develop new medicine for our improvement from the disease.
Okay. So you are telling about job. So when you will appointed in a job, what will be your duty in that job?
So in pharmacy, many types of jobs are present. Just like you marketing job. In marketing job, you have to market all the product of your company, just like medicine or cough syrup, or just like any types of medicine. Or you have a production area type where you have to produce all types of medicine. Or you have a quality assurance or quality control area where you have to check if the product, if the medicine is pure or not pure, and if not pure, then you have to do some test for this to determine the purity of the tablet or that like thing.
Okay. So now it's easy to us.
So, Probidda, why you chose BCom in accountancy, na?
Yes.
So please.
I love the accountancy subject. Okay. So when I complete my Madhyamik examination, so I decided that choose commerce subject. Okay. So and I and now I complete my BCom graduation on 2025.
So, what is your future plan now?
My future plan now is banker,
Okay.
to be a banker.
You choose that.
Now I like banking work.
Oh.
What is
My
name?
name is Barsha Maji. I am from Kukurda, Purbo Medipur district. I am 17 years old, and now I recently completed my Madhyamik examination, and I also choose commerce stream.
Why you choose?
After 12th, I want to do a job, and I all thought that digital marketing it's also best, or law also. So for this, that I choose commerce.
Your school name?
My school name is Kukurdoha ICMM High School.
Okay, thank you.
So Swamita Di, what you are studying now?
I am studying now BA Honors Education, Moisadol Girls College. Moisadol Girls.
So why you choose art? You choose art stream. So why you choose that?
I passed my Madhyamik examination 2023, and I decided my arts because I like arts and literature and etc. Then I graduate higher secondary education, उच्च माध्यमिक higher secondary. Passed my higher secondary examination 2025, and then decided my college, Moisadol Girls College, and
So in your college, what you will do?
Ariba.
After completing your college, what you will do?
Actually, Gopida is saying that what's the plan after you will pass your college?
I passed college, MA and B.Ed, a good teacher. And,
Okay, so in which subject you are going to do BA and MA?
I like. Yes.
Which subject you like?
Oh, अच्छा. Education.
Okay, that's a pretty good subject. Now, Borsadi, let us know that why do you choose commerce subject? Do you
I
love
already-
calculation? Do you love
Calculation?
calculation?
Yes. Also, I love.
So, do you want to be a chartered accountant or not?
No. It's too much hard for me.
Okay, so that will be a hard thing for you, and you can also ask me some questions.
After you say that you want to, you love science subject.
Science. Yes.
You say that after that, what you want to become in your future?
I want to be a teacher, but if tell about my long-term goals, I actually want to be a professor in college.
Oh, which subject?
Obviously, science. Physics. Which subject? If you tell about in science, I will choose math or physics.
Your goal. What is your goal about for Madhyamik examination? Which number you want to make your
The highest number.
highest number you want for math?
In science stream, I would like to do the best my best, and I would like to fulfill all the mark sheet with
100 out of
100 out of 100. I would like to, but in arts I don't know.
but you should.
But you know, in Madhyamik you have to study all the subject to get a good marks.
Yes.
So you also have to give the priority to the arts subjects.
Yes, I have to. That will be a struggle.
In art subject, you have to just write a story, nothing else. If you write a good story in history or in Bengali,
Actually,
you did a good marks.
The history and art subject did not base on stories in present in our 2026. If we talk about the previous year or some few years later, few years ago, actually the writing were based actually with stories, and if you can write the stories perfectly, you have the full marks you will get. But in today's education system, you have to do the exact answer.
Exact,
That's the
You have to write the
Challenging
exact
thing.
answer in
Yes.
2-3 lines. Above that line and below that line, no one see that.
Yes.
Just you have to write the exact line.
yes, that's the challenging thing
Yes,
in
yes.
arts.
So in which school do you study now?
I am studying in Gopalganj Priyanath Bani Bhavan HA school.
Tell something about your school, because my Madhyamik examination I given to this school, Gopalganj from school. From school না ওই স্কুলে আমার সিট পড়েছিল স্যার।
Okay, so what do you want to hear about it?
Huh?
Like good things or bad things?
Mixed.
Mixed. So the school is going on well, and I think you all have known that our head sir has suspended because of his scam. Because of his scam.
Suspended.
And our assistant headmaster is just continuing the school very good, his best to continue the school, and that's all about our school. And anything else do you want to hear?
So do you only study in school, or other thing you will also do, just like playing or traveling with friends, or
No, that's the part of our life.
Yes,
You
yes.
cannot
in school you have not just study.
like
Just-
you just supposed me to have a that student who do the advertisement of Proslovi Citra.
Sorry,
I am not
for
that type
asking
of
that
student,
question.
you know. I am also
I am sorry for asking that question. I am sorry.
So Anushka, what is your subject combination in class 11?
Oh, sorry. Sorry. My subject combination are accountancy, costing and taxation, economics, and BST, business studies. What is your subject combination?
Sadly, in our school we don't have economics because we don't have a teacher of it. So my subject combination is accountancy, costing, tax, and business studies, and fourth subject computer application.
Why sadly?
Sadly, if you choose economics, so it gives you a better option to perform well in the future. But
So basically, you love this subject.
yes, but sadly I did not get it
Oh,
so why did not you change your school?
because I have. But like in my area, we don't have a school of commerce. Like,
Okay.
Is commerce subject is not in the school. Our school is the only subject in that particular area which provide commerce
You
stream.
should do protest to have a part-time teacher in your school. Actually, for economics.
Yes, but till now there is no teacher of it
what is your future plan?
because I have not decided because there are many options like chartered accountant is that's a
That's
like
a
you can-
very huge thing
huge,
for us.
but there are cost
Yes.
accountant or and income tax department
Okay.
or things like that. But for now the main goal is to perform well in the higher secondary examination, getting a good marks.
That's great.
That is the main.
So what about you, Barsha? Please.
Actually, if you get a job in income tax department, who are your enemy? You can seize their home anytime if they they are getting rich.
I am going to target the politicians.
Actually target that income tax department job. Like that will be a good thing.
If you target politician, then your job will be not secured. You will be fired on the next day.
Yes. That's the
It's
point.
the ultimate truth.
So I know I have to work under them.
Under?
Work under them, under the
Okay.
politicians, I know. But I will try to do that
Okay.
under pressure, under.
So, Gunjan, what about your school and your local area? Please tell us.
Till now our school was getting a Sikh ashram, because after retirement of our headmaster, our new headmistress making new rules and pressures us to maintain that rules. Such as in prayer halls, you make the proper line, and at first a monitor and last a monitor, second monitor.
That's a good.
So we are fortunate.
But when the after the prayer, you have to go the class after 20 minutes in the
Actually, that should be a rule in every class, every school.
So in our time there are also rule present, but we don't obey this rule. During our time we have to go to prayer. All of the students go to prayer, but some of the students present in class, we don't go to prayer. And in class 11 in class 11 we spent some beautiful times in the school, because we have something 6 class in all day, but we do only 2 class. After that we have a small tiffin and we have a big tiffin. So from the small tiffin we don't do class, we just roaming around the ground. We also have a old cycle stand which is situated that type just behind কি বলে ওটা ইংলিশ মিডিয়ামের দিকে ছিল।
Yes, miss.
So we are very fortunate about that. We don't start the rule.
But and the other rule says that you did not talk in the corridor with basically a boy and a girl. If you
Corridor is also separated for boy and girls.
yes,
So if that rule is present in our time, most of the students will be suspended. Yes.
but when I entered the class
Because-
school, many students do that.
Yes, in our time, every student do that. Every student do that, talking to the girl or do sleeping in the corridor. Do sleeping. अरे ओई corridor sleep करता हूँ ना. Do sleeper in the corridor. One day our principal caught some of our friend. They also told their parents and told them some bad words about their son. So that's what. और কি কি হয়েছে ভাই?
That type of rule was here when our headmaster before the retirement, that you did not play in the playground in tiffin time for
Excuse me.
2 or 3 months. But after the rules, we did not obey and playing in a playground. Then the headmaster saw us, and after the tiffin period, he went to our class and purchased and took that student, everyone, but 2 students are in the class. They were lucky. And then I and my some friends went to a headmaster room. Then he called us and asked some question, and then took our ball and then beaten us with a stick, and then make a guardian call, and this is a disaster for me. Then I was angry to the. Now I told sir that I did not know the rule, but when the rule started, I did not on that day I did not come, but my friend did not support me.
Your friend did not support you. So you cannot.
That is a great mistake. You cannot friendship. This is a question about your friendship.
So you are expand your school library.
Now
Time expand your school library.
now in 10 I spend my school days very easily, but now the rules are very difficult to obey to me.
So you told that your friends don't কি বলে এটাকে? So you tell that your friends do not support you. So in our time, one of our friend rang a cycle bell. Okay, so sir hear that sound and sir think that the bell already rang. So sir came out from the class and went to the staff room. Went to the staff room. So after that he reached the staff room. He knew that the bell did not ring. So he came back to the class with our principal sir, and our principal sir told us that who is the boy, who the boy rang that bell. So no of our friend tell that who is the boy. So sir told us that please tell the boy, then the boy only have to punished. If you don't tell who is that boy, then everybody will be punished. So we tell.
Rules for the quality.
So we don't tell about.
Strategy.
So we don't tell about that boy. So the sir.
Beaten everybody.
No, beaten not. So sir, the sir guardian call. Almost 30-40 students guardian call. Almost 30-40.
More dangerous situation.
Almost 30-40 students guardians were came to the school, but we don't tell the friend's name. So I only say finally our guardian go to the school and some principal said
Okay, so the time is going on and we have limited time to do this conversation, so we have to end it up now, and best of luck, and wish you all the best for your studies and which stream you are studying in. So thank you.
Thank you.